Yeah. Laying well? Don't fall. Hi, welcome and thank you for stopping by. Usually I make education videos and I kind of think about what kind of problems I solve or who I'm making this for. But this time it's a little different, and I think I'm making this really and posting it for myself and my family to look back on, and also as a reminder to myself. But I do also hope that this video will challenge your relationship with your work, with your family, and how they balance, those two balance. And so I hope that happens. But if you're new here, I'm Mirdan and I help Christian men to start on YouTube from zero in a sustainable way, making high quality videos that they're proud of. And I hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If I'm to guess, you're probably obsessed with your work, you're trying to do a good job, so you work hard to provide a good life and future for your family or yourself. And I can totally relate to it because I'm the same way. This is day one, camping, 4th of July. Great time, so grateful for God. Grateful that He gave us what He gave us. Are you enjoying the first day so far? Good. Pretty chill. Look at this guy. Oh, there's a little. How's it going? But there comes a time when I get so involved in my business mentally and time-wise that I start losing sight of other things that God gave me to take care of and love.
Oh, this sounds like a turbo.
How do you like the first day so far?
Pretty killer, man. I'm enjoying it.
Providing financially is good, working hard is good, but there are more types of providing than just money that your family needs. I mean, what are our lives without work? Did work become our idol? Lift up your head, brother. You ready to be
I'm so scared.
famous
I'm so scared. Yeah.
on YouTube? And see that you have more in your life than work. I mean, look at these precious moments. Is work really worth missing this? I mean, literally nobody regrets not working more on their deathbeds. I mean, look at these guys. They're hilarious.
You're over there.
I'm yelling.
I love this moment, right after family dinner, playing games.
Okay. Zeke's
Do you want
turn.
2 plates?
Do you have 2 pens?
And tea.
Yes, sir.
Do you have an 8?
A what?
Tea, 8.
And regardless what the business world or successful men, I'm using quotation fingers here, regardless what they say, balanced life is a good life. They say you'll be quote unquote mediocre if you try to have balance in life, like you have to be unbalanced. Well, if giving my time to my family and spending time with God, my friends, serving church is a mediocre life, according to the world, I'll take it. Because in God's world, it's a blessed life. Good morning, everyone. It's day 2. And I don't get it. I mean, I do this a lot. Why do we even listen to these guys who are successful, seemingly? Do they really know better? Or does God, who created everything, know better. I understand that you might not be a Christian watching this, which I would gently invite you to consider Jesus. For today, what are we gonna do today? Do you know? Ride the 4-wheeler. Are you gonna go fishing too? You excited for that?
Yeah.
Excited for fishing? But even then, you know that you have more in your life than just work or grinding at it.
You can't
Whoops.
play it while I'm playing it.
Doing.
Basically, well, we're playing hide and seek, dude. Of course.
That is
But
so cool.
Watch
Zeke
this.
had
This
the
is
best
hilarious.
spot up top.
Love these
I was
guys.
looking everywhere. I looked everywhere, I thought. Back
Oh.
and forth 5 times. He was hiding in the little cubby thing, nightstand. I gotta find Zeke though, because if I leave, he can just change spots. That's the
You gotta find
big
Zeke.
houses.
Where is Zeke?
Got him, babe.
Good job.
Right over here, little
That is just so cool.
So you're trying to find Zeke first?
Yeah, because he's fast. I don't want him to change spots. I heard someone go downstairs.
I know where he is. I told him.
Did you? Got you, Zeke.
Here he is.
Spot.
We got him.
I heard him up there.
I wanted to win.
You wanted to win?
Yes.
Tell me, what did you want to win?
Hide and seek.
Let's go find Wesley. Did you find him? Yeah, I found him.
No, I had my hand right here. I had my hand right here. He thought I touched it already.
Okay.
Oh no.
No
Hide
problem.
again.
They're hiding now.
Yep. I think so. And I don't know.
Zeke, find a spot, quick. Back and forth. He just passed by him.
Wesley, are you looking behind things, buddy?
Yeah.
I don't think you are, honey.
I'm looking beyond the couch.
Follow him. Look, where's Daddy? Find Daddy. Where is he? Where's Daddy? Come. Let's go find Daddy. Where is he? Where's Daddy? Wesley, come here.
Dang.
I love that. You won't go
Good
sniffing
boy.
about, but
Good
they'll
boy.
look at your
Good
friend.
boy.
Now go find Zeke. Look.
Came to the parade at DuBois, Wyoming. It's like a little town. Gonna look at a parade. It's gonna be, I think, tanks as well and stuff. Merc 250. Woo! So what do you think?
This is not a great time.
What?
Whatever. There's a sign right there that says one you win.
You will get wet, but how is the parade so far?
Oh, it's good.
Right? Do you like it?
Yes.
So if we ever strand, we're here at Brooks Lake today. We're gonna fish. We're gonna fish on the canoe right there. And there's a kayak too. Should be fun out there. It's a little breezy. I mean, my point is, to whose standard are you trying to live up to? Whose definition of success are you trying to chase?
I don't want it to be.
I think there's only a rainbow. I mean, look at them, not at the horses, but look at these guys.
Come venture on this lake.
Love them. Sometimes it feels so ridiculous to me that piece of paper with dollar signs on them, or heck, it's a screens now with a dollar sign on them, or like a momentary bliss of hitting a milestone in my business, which are not necessarily bad or not important, but they become more important to me than these people sometimes. That's ridiculous. These souls with real value. So friend, if you're deep in your work that you lost sight of your blessings trusted to you, I encourage you to look up and weigh the costs and benefits, because your business account won't give you a glass of water when you're old and can't get up. So be with them while it's not too late. Go to that vacation, go to that baseball game, or whatever it is. Spend that evening with your wife, make that phone call, and count your blessings, because you got more in your life than your work.
That you have canoe, have
Just burn.
So you see the biggest one? That one is,
His eyes burn, bro. We're all loading up.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
Look, your shirt is different color. Loading up. Loading the hammock. Packing up. Y'all ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Where were you guys? Why weren't you crazy in the middle of this trip? Now in the end you are. This is it. This is the last day. We're packing, we're leaving. Alright. Right there. Packing, leaving. Bye bye. Peace out.